In a bold new move, the Department of Homeland Security under the Trump administration has issued a stern warning to foreign nationals staying in the US illegally: self-deport now or face heavy fines or jail time. According to a post shared by DHS on X, foreign nationals residing in the US for over 30 days must register with the federal government. Non-compliance is a crime punishable by fines and imprisonment. The post tagged reporters Trump and Secretary Noem further clarifies illegal aliens must self-deport, leave now while you still can. Though this policy does not directly affect those on legal visas like H-1B or student visas, the message signals a crackdown on overstays and undocumented immigrants. For instance, if an H-1B visa holder loses employment and fails to leave within the grace period, they may be subject to enforcement. The DHS post encourages self-deportation, highlighting benefits such as safe and voluntary departure, retention of earned money, potential future eligibility for legal immigration, subsidized departure flights for those who can't afford one. The department warns of severe consequences for non-compliance, including $998 daily fine for ignoring a final removal order, $1,000 to $5,000 fine for failing to self-deport after making the claim, possible jail time and lifetime re-entry bans to the US. This aggressive policy is seen as a step towards strict immigration enforcement, punishing undocumented individuals to leave the country before being forcibly removed.